Are you ready to blend your way to a healthier lifestyle? Smoothies are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them an easy choice for busy mornings or post-workout refuels. However, the secret to achieving that perfect, creamy texture lies in using the right blender. With countless options on the market, it can be overwhelming to find the best smoothie blender that fits your needs. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best smoothie blenders available, highlighting their features, performance, and value for money. Get ready to elevate your smoothie game and discover the perfect blender for your kitchen. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Ninja BL 610 Professional. Our pick for best budget smoothie blender. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly blender that doesn't skimp on power, this Ninja model might be just what you need. With a robust 1,000 watts of blending strength, it can tackle a hefty 72 ounces of ingredients at once. Ideal for whipping up smoothies for the whole family, or preparing large batches of soups. This blender is designed to handle frozen fruits, making it perfect for your favorite smoothies and frozen drinks. However, it's important to remember that it works best when you add a good amount of liquid, along with solids. This not only ensures optimal blending, but also helps achieve that smooth consistency you crave. Although it features 3 speeds and a pulse option for versatility, keep in mind that it does come with a significant noise level. If you're blending ingredients early in the morning or late at night, you might want to consider the timing to avoid waking anyone nearby. One of the standout aspects of this Ninja blender is its ease of use. Its straightforward controls make it simple to navigate, and when you're done, cleaning up is a breeze. So if you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly blender that won't break the bank, this Ninja model is worth considering. Just be prepared to embrace a bit of noise while you create those delicious blends. Number 4. Nutribullet Pro 900, our pick for best personal smoothie blender. If you're on the lookout for a reliable and efficient blender to elevate your smoothie making experience, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is an excellent option. With a powerful 900 watts of blending capability, you can expect smooth, creamy results without any unwanted chunks. This blender stands apart from both the Magic Bullet and the original Nutribullet, ensuring that your morning smoothie is perfectly blended to your liking. One of the features you'll appreciate is the thoughtful design that lets you blend directly in the cup. Once your smoothie is ready, simply secure it with one of the included lids, perfect for those busy mornings when every second counts. While the Nutribullet Pro 900 isn't completely leak-proof, handling it with care can help you avoid any mess. Using the blender is straightforward. Just push and twist the cup, and in under 60 seconds, you'll have a delicious smoothie. With a generous 24-ounce capacity, it is ideal for quick breakfasts or post-workout snacks, fitting seamlessly into your day. Plus, with over a dozen vibrant colors to choose from, not only do you get functionality, but you also add a pop of style to your kitchen. Experience the convenience and power of the Nutribullet Pro 900. It's time to enhance your smoothie game and start enjoying nutritious, hassle-free blends that fit perfectly into your lifestyle. Number 3. Vitamix E310 Explorian, our pick for best Splurge smoothie blender. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is designed with your blending needs in mind. With a user-friendly interface and 10 variable speeds, you can effortlessly create super smooth smoothies, no matter the ingredients you choose. Whether you're blending fresh fruits, leafy greens, or even tougher items like nuts, this blender delivers consistently exceptional results that highlight your culinary creativity. If you're always on the move, consider the E310 model that includes 2 handy smoothie cups, perfect for your busy lifestyle. The 48-ounce container strikes an ideal balance between capacity and size, providing ample space for your blending tasks while remaining compact enough to fit comfortably under your kitchen cabinets. Cleanup is quick and easy thanks to the dishwasher-safe tamper and lid, allowing you to spend less time on chores and more time enjoying your delicious creations. This versatility is what makes the E310 a valuable addition to your kitchen. With the Vitamix Explorian E310, You're not just blending, you're enhancing your cooking experience. You'll find that this blender not only meets your expectations but exceeds them, enabling you to whip up nutritious, tailored smoothies that cater to your taste preferences. Embrace the joy of blending and elevate your culinary adventures with the E310, your kitchen companion for healthful, delicious drinks in no time. Number 2, Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus, our pick for best compact smoothie blender. If you're seeking a compact blender that fits your on-the-go lifestyle, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus is an outstanding option for you. Its space-saving design means it won't crowd your kitchen counter, making it an ideal addition for small kitchens or apartments. You can whip up your favorite smoothies effortlessly, whether you're rushing out the door or enjoying a quiet weekend at home. Powered by an impressive 900 watts, this compact blender easily crushes both fresh and frozen produce, ensuring your drinks are perfectly smooth and delicious every time. Using the Ninja Nutri-Blender is straightforward. Just fill one of the 3 20-ounce cups with your chosen ingredients, add enough liquid for your desired consistency, secure the blade attachment, and blend by simply pressing down. It's that simple. Designed with your convenience in mind, the blender includes 3 twist-on spout lids, allowing you to take your nutritious smoothies wherever life leads you, be it to the office, gym, or on a leisurely stroll. With dimensions of just 4.7 by 4.7 by 13.8 inches, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Embrace your commitment to a healthy lifestyle with this practical, high-performance blending solution. The Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus is made for your needs, allowing you to enjoy nutritious beverages on your terms. Smoothies on the go have never been easier. Number 1, Vitamix 5200, our pick for best smoothie blender overall. If you're searching for the perfect blender for smoothies, the Vitamix 5200 should be at the top of your list. While it may seem like an extravagant choice for simple drinks, this high-end machine is designed for those who desire the creamiest blends and impressive versatility in their kitchen adventures. The Vitamix 5200 boasts a spacious 64-ounce jar, making it ideal for handling fibrous fruits and vegetables with ease. Whether you're making a quick personal smoothie or blending larger batches for a gathering, its narrow jar design ensures efficient blending for any occasion. You'll appreciate the solid construction that speaks to longevity and reliability, along with user-friendly controls comprising a straightforward speed dial and a pulse switch. Everything you need to master your blending. However, be aware that you'll need to manually stop the blender once your creation reaches the desired consistency, a feature that may feel less convenient compared to models with pre-programmed settings. It's worth noting that the Vitamix 5200 comes with just one jar. If you plan to make personal-sized smoothies regularly, consider investing in a separate personal jar, which is available through Vitamix. This powerful blender is packed with features that cater to both your everyday needs and your culinary ambitions, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen. Embrace the ability to experiment and create delicious, nutritious smoothies with the Vitamix 5200 by your side. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which smoothie blender you're going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.